Hi guys, if your Hisense refrigerator is beeping, not cooling correctly or showing you the temperature issues, a quick reset is definitely going to fix all of these problems. So in this guide, you are going to learn the safest and the most effective reset methods. So on a refrigerator of Hisense, you just have to first of all unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is going to drain the temporary power from the control board, and it will also clear the minor software glitches. Avoid plugging it back in immediately. After powering the fridge back on, simply just reset both the refrigerator temperature as well as the freezer temperature. Now, most of the Hisense model work best around the 37 degree Fahrenheit or 3 degrees Celsius for fridge, and for refrigerator the number is 0 degree Fahrenheit or minus 18 degrees Celsius. So the incorrect settings can trigger the cooling alarms, so make sure that you reset the temperature controls as well. Now, if the fridge keeps beeping, you can also press and hold the alarm or the lock button for a few seconds. Some of the Hisense models silence the alarm this way after a power interruption. So you can try these easy steps in order to solve the Hisense refrigerator reset and the cooling issues quickly. Thank you.